All right, so you should have just watched topic 1.4. If you haven't watched topic 1.4, you need to go do that before you watch this one because this is topic 1.5. In the last topic, we discussed different geographic concepts and what they were. What we're going to look at real quick, because this is a really short topic, for topic 5 is how those geographic concepts are possible based on two theories. So, how those concepts kind of come to life and affect how the human and how humans and their environments interact. So, the two theories that there are in the study of human environment interactions is environmental determinism and possibilism. Environmental determinism says that climate and landforms are the most powerful forces shaping human behavior and societal and cultural development. So this was developed in the 18th century. It is older. And it says that the environment, our climate, the weather, the landforms, the physical environment is more powerful than the culture. So it determines what the culture is like, what society is able to do. And so this is the illustration, I guess, below. It just says that the environment determines the cultural factors. So wherever you live, wherever a certain place is on the globe, determines how you live, what you do, what you eat, where you go. And again, this is a little bit older. A newer theory that has emerged is called possibilism. And it's a more modern interpretation that acknowledges the limitations imposed by the natural environment. So it says, okay, we understand that because of where something is, it is limited based on the natural physical environment. But it says that the role of humans allows them to modify the environment to better fit their needs. So, possibilism acknowledges the limitations imposed by the natural environment, but focuses on the role of human culture to modify and respond to the environment to better fit the human's needs. So, it says that the environment limits cultural factors, but that the culture modifies the environment to best fit those people's needs. And so these are just two theories. They are conflicting theories. They are still relevant, although possibilism is used more now, and environmental determinism kind of has more of a negative connotation today. But these are the two working theories on how the humans and environment, how humans and the environment interact within space. So, an example of, I want to go back and show you an example of environmental determinism. So down here it says the environment, so the climate or the precipitation, determines or controls what can happen in these areas. So it determines how people can farm, what clothing they're going to wear. And so stuff like this really supports that theory. But if you look here, these are examples of environmental determinism. This is a man-made island. That's located in Dubai. And so this is literally humans extremely altering the earth, but modifying the earth's surface to fit their needs. Something a little more common, dams. So the Hoover Dam, which finished construction in 1936, is utilized to supply power and water to the nearby town of Las Vegas, Nevada, which is located in the middle of a desert. So they took a place that seems nearly almost impossible to live, a desert, and they modified the environment to best fit their needs. So those are the two competing theories, environmental determinism and possibilism. Make sure that you can define those, explain them, and give examples for